Imagine having an AI trainer that offers you the gym experience without actually visiting one. As soon as you wake up and grab your phone in the morning, the AI chimes in cheerfully. Today's workout is ready. It guides you through each step meticulously. Start with a warm-up, then push-ups. Now control your breathing. Perfect. The best part? This AI tracks your progress consistently, formulates a diet plan tailored for you, and motivates you every day. With each session, it adapts to your increasing strength and endurance, modifying the exercises to keep things challenging. Aside from the workouts, the AI has smartly integrated resting days to ensure your muscles recover efficiently. By analyzing your fitness data, it intelligently decides when to suggest yoga on a calmer day or when a high-intensity interval training session is warranted. Moreover, it keeps you updated with insightful health tips, reminding you to hydrate and suggesting healthy recipes for a balanced diet. The AI understands that fitness is a lifestyle, not a sprint, and it encourages gradual but consistent steps towards your goals. You will never feel alone in this journey. The AI doubles as a virtual coach and pep talker, occasionally sending you motivational quotes or messages reminding you of your achievements thus far. Imagine waking up to, remember that the body achieves what the mind believes. This AI trainer revolutionizes fitness, making it accessible, personalized, and endlessly engaging, regardless of your location or schedule.